Ja i Barba Pepo ćemo zasvirati jedan kratki balon.
This music can only be heard in magical Istria, known for its natural beauty and cultural uniqueness. It may even surprise the traveler with the sound of its autochthonous instruments. They can usually produce 6 tones and are not tuned, which gives their sound a special charm. These various types of instruments are made from wood found in Istria. Walter Primožić from Kršan is one of the rare flute makers in the region.
Istrian instruments are like every other instrument. What does that mean? That means going into the forest, picking the wood, bringing it home and allowing it to dry for set time, at least 5 to 6 years. Then the first phase of making begins. After that, it would be good for the instrument to set for at least a year or 2 before it undergoes a fine finish. The instruments are played by numerous local musicians, but it's not just a matter of instrument. You have to get used to the Istrian scale from an early age if you want to play.
In the life of all true Istrians, the good old local sounds are an everyday event. They like to listen to more modern music, but the best atmosphere is created when they play and sing Istrian at celebrations, weddings, and gatherings. Sitting in a wine cellar, eating fish stew and drinking wine. The sound of the Eastern bagpipes while playing the popular local game of Mora. Is there a nicer way of seeing in the dawn?
Primo, my lady.